An MP4 that won't play properly, maybe it stutters, skips frames, or won't open at all, is most likely corrupted. The reasons can be many, but the good news is that it's usually fixable. In this video, we'll show you the best tools you can use to repair MP4 files. To repair an MP4 video, you'll need special software. But choosing the right one matters, because the web is full of shady tools that don't work and only waste your time and money. In this video, we'll skip those and show you only trusted programs, picked based on the criteria you see on the screen. One of the easiest ways to repair a corrupted MP4 is with an online tool. Our pick is Clever Online Video Repair. It's fast, free, and works with most MP4 formats, including H.264 and H.265. The tool can handle almost any issue: broken recordings, incomplete downloads, or files that simply won't play. To get started, visit the Clever Online Video Repair website. The link is provided in the video description. Then, click Choose File and upload your damaged MP4. Once uploaded, the service will analyze and try to fix it. Sometimes you'll also be asked for a healthy sample video from the same device, so keep one ready. When the repair is done, click Download to save your file. You can preview it first, but to actually download, you'll need to create a free account and click the download button again. That's it. In just a few clicks, your video should be working again. If you'd rather not use an online tool, there's a free desktop alternative, untrunc-gui. It's open source and runs locally on Windows, which means you don't waste time uploading or downloading large files. Go to Untrunc's GitHub page and download untrunc-x64.zip. Extract the archive, open the folder and run untrunc-gui.exe. Click the truncated file button, browse for your corrupted MP4, and select it. Next, click the reference file button and choose a healthy video recorded with the same device. Hit the repair button at the bottom right. Untrunc will create a repaired copy of your video in the original folder. Another method that works well is re-encoding the video. This rebuilds the file structure and can fix problems like skipped frames or codec errors. For this, we'll use HandBrake, a free tool available for both Windows and Mac OS. Start by downloading HandBrake and installing it. Then, open the program and import your corrupted MP4, either by clicking File or Open Source. Once loaded, go to the Summary tab and set the format to MP4. You can adjust other settings if needed. After that, click Browse to pick where the new file will be saved. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish re-encoding. Your video should now play smoothly without the glitches. You can also use VLC Media Player to re-encode videos, and chances are, you already have it installed. To keep this video short, we'll leave a link in the description to the full article where you can check out the exact steps. One more trusted online option is Restore.Media. It works with MP4 videos encoded in H.264 and H.265, and even lets you pick a server in Europe or the US for faster processing. Unlike some tools, Restore.Media isn't free. You can preview the repaired video at no cost, but downloading the full version requires a fee. To begin, open Restore.Media in your browser. First, you'll need an account, so sign up with your email and confirm it. Choose the camera model used to record your video from the drop-down list, or select generic MP4 file if you're not sure. Enter a name for the repair task and click Next. Upload your corrupted MP4 file. Then upload a healthy reference video recorded with the same device. Restore.Media will repair the file and give you a low-quality preview with screenshots. That's it for today. Now you know how to repair a corrupted MP4 video. In most cases, Clever Online Repair will solve your problem right away. But we also showed you a few alternatives, so you have options instead of relying on just one method. Thanks for watching, and good luck! Once you repair your video, we'd love to hear your feedback, which tool worked for you, and why you chose it. If you still have questions, also drop them in the comments under this video. We'll be happy to help.